Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of canceling a subscription in Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, begin by clicking on your name or profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Plan. This section contains details about your current subscription. In the My Plan section, you will see the plan you are currently subscribed to, along with any features and billing information. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will find an option to Cancel Subscription. Click on the Cancellation option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation process. Once you've completed these steps, your subscription will be successfully canceled, and you should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.